Hey guys, so today we are, I'm installing a Stoptech big brake kit on my FRS. This is a used kit, so a little discoloring on there, but it's alright. Alright, wheels are off, and you can see the stock brake calipers and rotor and ST coilovers under there. Not bad brakes, but stock sucks, so let's get these swapped out. Okay, so I got the passenger side caliper and rotor installed. So I threw the stock one next to the other caliper so that we can see how much larger the Stoptech kit calipers are. Obviously they're going to do a lot better under hard braking situations and track usage where the factory stuff of course gets overheated pretty quickly and get brake fade and you don't brake as well, which is an issue, you know, if you crash into someone. So the rotors, throw the factory one on top of the Stoptech one. So obviously you can see the Stoptech rotor is larger and it is slotted, so that should help with some outgassing on the brake pads. And then there it is installed. I didn't bleed the brakes yet, and I haven't put the pads in yet. Obviously that will be coming up next after I get the driver's side thrown on. So obviously Stoptech big brake kit for the FRS looks significantly better, and performance should be a lot better as well. Okay, so I finally got the brakes installed on both sides. Install went pretty quickly. It's tough getting the line off for the brake line. It's a 10 millimeter. Just make sure you are really careful not to strip out that nut because it's pretty tight. So I'm about to get the brakes bled here in a second. Obviously, if you have an assistant, give them lots of brakes. I would not suggest a puppy as he's pretty useless for this, but that's okay, he looks cute. But anyway, so brakes are installed. Emptied the catch can while I was poking around, and I'll be getting the brakes bled here in just a moment, and then I'll go out and test them out. So should be pretty good. Okay, so we did the first test after installing these, and brakes feel really good. No complaints. Obviously I'll have some feedback after track day.